Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Hampton in San Francisco Airport. It's a 3-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located off Highway 101 and only minutes from San Francisco International Airport, this hotel features spacious accommodations with various guest amenities, including a fitness center, a business center, and guest laundry facility. The Hampton in San Francisco Airport offers guests easy access to a variety of area attractions, including the city center. The hotel is also located close to a rapid transit station, providing instant access to the city. After a restful night of sleep, guests at the San Francisco Airport Hampton Inn can start the morning with a free hot breakfast buffet. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.